Alright, let's go. We're gonna go head down to the beach and take a look. How's everything there? And you can see from here, there's the water. Sorry for all the shaking, guys, but we'll be there in a minute. Okay. Heading down to the beach right here. I'm going down the hill. Sorry guys, there's a lot of shaking going on. So let's take a look. Oh man, look at that water. So refreshing. It's just beautiful. Man, look at the footprints. Someone's trying to be extra. Look at all these, what do you call this? Bamboo grass. I don't know what you call that. Just bamboo. Growing by the sandy area. That's kind of cool, but it looks like a hurricane hit this area, huh? But man, you can't beat the view though. Look at that. Beautiful. What's called Vanlife, baby. Nice. Nice. I wonder how this big old tree got here. Unless somebody brought it here. There's another big tree right there as well. Ew, this tree is huge. What the heck? How'd this thing get here? Look at that. Look how big this is. Damn. Do a selfie. Look at this. I guess the water down there, but it goes all the way up during the high tide. And this tree is massive. When I say massive, it's massive. Look at my foot here. No kidding, guys. Huge. Interesting. We'll climb this hill of sand. Whew. I just love this bamboo growing here. Look like a bamboo. Yeah, that's what you call a view right there. That's crazy, huh? Wow. Look at all these seashells. Huh. It's all the way up here. From down there. Huh. Crazy, huh? Woo! All the way down. What? It's nuts. All that. Oh, look at this one. It's all pink. That's kind of cool. Guys, I'm walking in seashells.